Guimaras, tahimik, simple at napakaganda. Dito sa Barangay Tanag, Buena Vista, nagsimula ang bagong chapter ng buhay ko. A story about coming home, starting small, and finding purpose in the land. Hi, I'm Kyle Matthew Fernandez, 28 years old and founder of Ferncrest Dairy Farm. I was born in Iloilo City, and when I was 10 years old, my family moved to London. Doon ako lumaki, and later on, worked as a pastry chef in the United Kingdom. In 2018, I came back to the Philippines to study culinary arts. The plan was to move to Australia, pero dumating ang pandemic. During the lockdown, I opened a small coffee and pastry shop in Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Pero nang tumigil kami sa operations, I started searching for something different, something meaningful, something that connects me back to nature. Pero something that I never expected. Maraming nagtatanong, bakit ka nag-farming? Chef ka. Bakit daw ako nagpalit ng apron para sa putik at araw? Ang totoo, hindi nila alam kung gaano ka-noble ang farming. Walang mas rewarding kaysa makita mong may tumutubong bunga mula sa sariling kamay. Na kahit simple, alam mong may halaga at may napapakain ka. In 2021, I bought this 2.3 hectare land here in Barangay Tanag, Buena Vista, Guimaras. May maraming puno, may magandang view, pero hindi pa siya develop. Still, nung nakita ko yung lugar, nagustuhan ko agad siya. Love at first sight kumbaga. The fresh air, the greenery, and that breathtaking ocean view. That's what inspired the name Ferncrest. I started with heritage chickens, native cows, and upgraded goats. Pero habang tumatagal, I realized my passion was really into dairy farming. Producing fresh milk and artisan cheese made right here in Guimaras. Ferncrest Dairy Farm is now the only active dairy farm in Guimaras. We raise Holstein cows, producing around 150 liters of fresh milk per week and about 9 to 10 kilos of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, all handcrafted here on the farm. The 80,000 peso YFC grant will be used for the expansion of our dairy processing facility to improve efficiency, sanitation, and overall production capacity para mas maayos at malinis ang proseso ng paggatas at paggawa ng mga products. One of the biggest challenges in the country is milk sufficiency. We only produce 1% of our total milk locally, while 99% is imported. Through Ferncrest, we aim to prove that Filipino farmers can produce world-class milk. But Ferncrest isn't just about dairy. We also grow dragon fruit, Dakatan banana, and have 3 centennial mango trees that still bear fruit every year. Meron kaming 150 dragon fruit post. And this year, we sold 568 kilos of fruit. Yung excess harvest, I make into dragon fruit jam para walang nasasayang. I am also a proud member of the Guimaras Dragon Fruit Association and Buena Vista Corn and Cassava Association, promoting sustainable fruit farming in the province. Pero higit sa lahat, gusto ko rin makatulong sa community. We hire local workers and support agrarian reform beneficiaries. We rent the beneficiaries' rice lands during off-season. Instead na iwan na lang na walang pinagkagamitan sa second cropping. We plant corn for silage to feed our cows. It is a partnership that gives them income while helping us build a sustainable source of feed.
Ako gali si Robert Gonzales, beneficiary sang agrarian reform beneficiary. Amon diri nga farm amo ini siya kon la na sa humay ginatamnan namon sang mais para nga ginasuporta pakaon sa baka ni Sir Kyle. Dako mga bulig nga ginahatag sa amon daw nalipay man kami nga mga imports nga ginahatag ya kon anong mga benepisyo nga mabalaan niya ginadalay mo di sa amon amo nang ginadako nga pasalamatan namon kay Sir Kyle.
Intuluan no kami ni Kyle sa moderno nga maagi sa pagsagod sang baka. Agin padalaya kami sa training sa Cebu pag nagdugang ang amon nga nabalaan.
Farming is never easy. May araw ng ulan, may hirap, may pagod, pero natutunan kong lahat ng ito. Parte ng proseso. I joined multiple trainings to grow and learn more. From ascites detection, basic dairy husbandry, farm production, to agritourism, and the National Dairy Summit 2024. I was nominated as Outstanding Farmer, Large Animal Raiser during Bugal sang Guimaras Agrikultura at Manggahan Festival 2025. And as chairperson of the Buena Vista Livestock and Poultry Association, I continue to work with local farmers to strengthen our community. One of my proudest milestones is that Ferncrest Dairy Farm now has a license to operate issued by the National Dairy Authority and has just been approved as learning site by the Agricultural Training Institute. If we win the regional grant, 150,000 pesos, we'll use it for the improvement of our product packaging, make Ferncrest products more professional, market-ready, and proudly Guimaras made. And with the national grant, 300,000 pesos, we'll expand our processing facility, build cold storage, and launch the Guimaras Fresh Dairy Experience, a farm tourism program that combines learning and experience. Farming taught me patience, humility, and purpose. From being a pastry chef abroad to becoming a farmer here in Guimaras, I've learned that success isn't about where you go, but where you grow. This is Ferncrest Dairy Farm, offering you fresh milk and cheese that are local pride and Guimaras own.